Nag-a-apply ka ba ng PCO accreditation sa DNR-EMB? Napansin mo ba na nire-require ka mag-submit ng Certificate of Employment? Yes, dahil yan ay partial requirement for PCO accreditation application. Paano ba yung mga Certificate of Employment? Ano ba ang nakikita doon? Well, wala namang prescribed template ang DNR-EMB sa Certificate of Employment. Pero for the purpose of education, meron tayo dito pwedeng tingnan na sample. So ano ba ang content ng Certificate of Employment for the purpose of PCO accreditation? Well, unang-una, lagay natin yung company letterhead. And then, Certificate of Employment. And then, yung date. For example, today, we are May 22, 2025. To whom it may concern, this is to certify that, for example, Mr. Juan de la Cruz has been employed in the company, ibig sabihin. At ito yung name din ng establishment na naka-register doon sa company registration system ng DNR. So, halimbawa, ABC Company Inc. Yan. And siya po ay, for example, employed siya as industrial supervisor. Yan. Example lang naman po ito. At siya ay na-hire, for example, May 5, 2020 and bilang industrial supervisor nung May 5, 2020 up to the present. So yun yung certification na siya ay employed mula nung 2020 up to present. And then yung pong statement na bilang isang PCO at full-time employee, kailangan yan sambitin dito na currently, he, for example, is designated as Pollution Control Officer in concurrent to his position cited above, itong industrial supervisor, and shall perform the duties and responsibilities of the PCO based on Section 10 DAO 2014-02 but not limited to the following. And dito, sinicertify ng managing head yung ating PCO bilang full-time employed sa ating company as required in Section 6 of DAO 2014-02. So mula dyan, this certification is being issued upon the request of the aforementioned name for whatever lawful purpose it may serve him or her best. Then given this, for example, 22nd day of May 2025 at, for example, Batangas City, Batangas. And then the name of the managing head. So for example, Mr. Peter S. Pan, the managing head of the company, date, sign. So for example, May 22, 2025. So this is the sample content of a certificate of employment at ito ay ina-upload natin doon sa ating application for PCO accreditation through pco.emb.gov.ph dito po. So mula po dyan, nilalagay natin yung ating Certificate of Employment as one of the requirement for PCO accreditation application. So saan yon? Sa ibang video natin, makikita nyo yung mga requirements for PCO accreditation. Doon natin yan mapapanood kung saan natin in-upload ang Certificate of Employment. So I hope may natutunan po kayo dito sa Certificate of Employment as partial requirement for PCO accreditation application. At kung gusto niyo pang malaman ang iba pang mga compliance requirement about permitting, reporting, mga pag-fill up ng mga forms, templates, please share this video. Please like this video. Please follow. Please subscribe to this channel. At I hope marami pa tayong maibigay na karunungan sa bawat isa. Thank you very much everyone at mabuhay tayong lahat. God bless us all.